What up, people? All right, sorry it took so long to do the videos. My wife had to do her nails this morning, and now we're behind. So today, we are going to work on this purse. This is one of our prototypes that I made for the wife a long time ago. This is probably eight years.
I was going to say.
So it's dirty. We got to clean it. I got to go through, and it's held up pretty good, though. All the stitching held up good. The only thing is the interior. See where it came loose there? Or in its frame? So when I made this, it was still new to me making the inside. So now I know better ways to do it. So I'm going to take this apart, take the liner out, and make a new liner and put it back in. And it's like that on both sides. But as you can see, the rest of it is pretty good. Everything else held up.
We've said multiple times.
Everything held up real good. So I'm going to take the liner out, and I'm not sure what color we're going to go in the inside, but we're going to make a nice liner. I might put a pocket in it too. So check it out.